Hi friends, welcome to this edition of the car washer. Besides being a part of your garage essentials for washing cars, pressure washers also help to clean and chip off the permanent dirt stains from tiles and flooring of your backyards, veranda, gardens, etc. Car washer is a portable electric washer that removes dust, dirt, or even the stains that you find hard to remove with a sponge or any brush. Inalsa has introduced this machine in two variants. One with 1600 watt power consumption is PowerShot 1600 and the other with 1400 watt power consumption is PowerShot 1400. Besides the difference in wattages, PowerShot 1600 has wheels for ease of carrying the machine. Also, the hosepipe of PowerShot 1400 is 3 meters long while that of 1600 is 5 meters. Let's have a look at the other accessories. This is the hosepipe through which pressurized water is thrown out. Second is the soap dispenser bottle for a detergent wash. Next is the spray gun. Then we have a water inlet adapter. This machine comes with an accessory rack to settle all your accessories in one place. Last but not least is the extension pipe of your spray gun. This helps in giving direction to pressurized throw. Now, let's have a look at how to load accessories in the machine. First, you need to install the accessories rack at the back of the machine in the way it is shown in the video. Once the rack is installed in the machine, start loading the accessories as shown. This will help in carrying all the parts of the machine easily and placing and storing them together. Take care of a very thin pin. This pin is used to clean the nozzle. So place it properly in the slot given on the rack. Now see How convenient is it to carry the machine along with accessories from one place to another? Let's see the assembling of various accessories in the machine. First, take the spray gun and insert the extension pipe in it. The nozzle side of the extension pipe will go inside the broad end of the spray gun. Just match the notches and rotate the pipe to firmly fit in the gun. Please ensure whatever you are installing is firmly intact, since the pressure of the water may throw the loose parts away. This yellow part in the gun is the trigger, and below it, if you see, is the lock of the trigger. When not in use or prevent misuse by children, keep it in lock position only. Next is to connect the hose pipe. The broad end of the hose pipe will go inside the lower opening of the machine. Just tighten it like a screw over there. The other end will go inside the spray gun. Please bear in mind one very important point, that whenever you want to take out the hose pipe from the gun, first switch off the machine through this rotatory knob and then release the pressure through the trigger. Press a small button in the gun to release the hose. In case you have not released the pressure, the hose may give you a push shock. Let's see how to install the soap bottle. Take out the extension pipe and now install the soap bottle in the same way as the extension pipe. Here is the demo. Usually, when cleaning the car, use the sprinkler mode to reduce the intense pressure on the paint of the car. If you want to see the dismantling process, continue watching. The machine opens up from the backside. There are 8 screws. Take out the cord winder handle just by pushing it up and taking it out. Then take out the top handle by pushing it towards the front. With the help of a screwdriver, detach the front cover from the back cover. If you observe, the back cover houses the motor housing with pump assembly at the bottom. There is a protective covering on the top of the white motor housing to prevent water from seeping inside the motor. AppliancesLove.in. Take a complete tour of cleaning your car at home in easy steps.
AppliancesLove.in. Keep exploring.